Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, today's tutorial is another kind of colourful one. I think it's a little bit more wearable than my last few, just because I think like dark greens are like a bit more daytime. Like this isn't daytime, like I feel like wearing green in the day or in the night on a night out is like not that weird, whereas like wearing purple and like bright blue is maybe a little bit like woo. I don't know if you guys agree, but that's just my personal opinion. So I think this is a little bit wearable. I love like green and gold together, so I wanted to do like another green and gold look, but obviously this is totally different and it's a totally different take on it. It is more glam, it is more like dramatic, but you know, that's just how I am. I will link my last green and gold one if you do like the little pairing. But yeah, I haven't done like a dark green look, I don't think, since the Subculture palette came out. So yeah, that's why I thought I would do one like this today. If this looks like something you'd enjoy, please keep on watching. And yeah, if you'd like to recreate this look, then yeah, keep on watching to find out how I did it. If you enjoy, please let me know down below because I appreciate it very, very much. And do subscribe if you don't want to miss any videos. And yeah, let's get into the tutorial because I'm blabbing. So first off, sorry if the lighting is like really dodgy. I'm filming this at night and it's like gone really dark really quickly. I was supposed to film this hours ago, but this makeup has taken so long that I'm doing this really late at night, which is super annoying. But anyway, let's get straight into it. Right, so the palette I'm going to use is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture to begin with, and I'm just going to go straight into the shade Axis, which is like this deep green shade, and as usual I'm just going to start packing that onto my eye, through the crease on the lid. And then I'm just going to go into the shade New Wave, which is like that orangey shade, and the shade Edge as well, and just sort of use them to blend out that green. But I'm not going to take a lot of them shadows because they are quite pigmented. I just want them to like peek through. I'm then going to take the Olivia Belle White Gel Eyeliner and I'm just going to use this to cut out the sort of half cut crease that I've got going on, but I'm going to take it quite far and then just bring the shadows in to make it smaller. If that makes any sense at all. I'm then just going to set that down with a white matte shade. And then I'm just going to go back into that green shade from the Subculture palette, and I'm just going to start blending that into that white shade really lightly because I don't want it to be too far. And as you can see, I'm just bringing that green in a bit further on the bottom, so it's almost like in like a triangle shape, if that makes sense, just like a different shape. Still like a half cut crease, but it's just yeah, like I said, just like a different shape, because I just wanted to do something a little bit different, just so like that white on the top just goes a little bit further. And then I'm just going to go into a black shade. I'm just taking the black from the Morphe JACLYN Hill palette, but obviously you can take whatever black you want, whichever one you've got, but pick a pigmented one, just so it kind of does the job. And I'm just going to deepen up this outer part. Okay, I'm just going to leave it there, but I am just going to take that black again later on and you will see. But, oh, just dropping everything. And then I'm just going to take the Collection gel eyeliner and just draw, it's not really a wing, it's just going to be like a line of liner, shall we say, just going into that green. And then I'm going to go back in with that black shade and just sort of smoke out that eyeliner, and especially into this inner corner, so it almost like blends and it doesn't look like just a line. I'm just going to go in with some mascara. This is just the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. Okay, so I just completely forgot to do the liner. I'm going to take the Collection Glam Crystals one. This is in the shade 3 Funk, and I'm just going to line I'm just going to line the half cut crease and just flick it out. Breathe. Like the most tense moment ever. And I'm going to take the Olivia Bell lashes in the style Sassy and just trim these and glue them on. Does anyone else have to like trim every pair of eyelashes they own? Like, I don't know if I've just got like short eyes. Is that even a thing? But I've always got to trim them, it's so sad. Okay, so while they are drying, I'm just going to take some of them light shades from that JACLYN Hill palette and just highlight my brow bone and the inner corner so that all blends nicely. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm going to do the rest of my face and then I will be back to finish the tutorial. Okay, so for the lower lash line, I'm just going to go in with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean and just run this along the waterline. And then I just smudged it out. I'm then going to go into that Axis shade from the Subculture palette and just run that along the lower lash line and just connect it to that top to the top. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please let me know down below. Please like or do comment, let me know what you thought, or if you ever have any requests, that is where you can put them and I'll probably do them. And please do click the subscribe button if you enjoyed. Shush. And please do click the subscribe button if you enjoyed. It means you don't miss any videos and helps me out. So yeah, thank you once again for watching. I will see you all very soon. Thanks everyone. Bye.